Okay, we are going to simplify radicals. So radical is a square root, or it could be any other kind of root. So we're going to go ahead and do a little review on, these are perfect squares. Square root of 1. Square root of 121. 11. Yep. Square root of 81. Square root of 9. Square root of 36. Square root of 100. Square root of 49. Square root of 144. Square root of 196. Square root of 4. Square root of 16. Square root of 225. 15. Square root of 25. Square root of 169. And square root of 64. Okay. So these are the perfect squares, because if you take a square root, you get a whole number. If we have something that is not a whole number, then we have to simplify it. Instead of writing it as a decimal, we're going to simplify it as a number mixed with a square root, mixed with a radical. So like square root of 40, if you put that in your calculator, see what you get. What is it? 6.32 something. Well, we do not want decimals. Instead, we want radicals that are simplified. So we are going to want to write it as a square root of b, basically. That's our goal. Put a number outside and keep one number inside the radical. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. You did this back in Algebra 1 and maybe a little in geometry. So find the largest perfect square factor. The great thing is we can use our calculator to find all of our factors and then just look at the perfect square factors. So we are going to put it in as y equals the number over x in our calculator. And then we are going to look at our xy chart. And we only want to look at the perfect squares. So we'll look at what the x's are and only look at the perfect squares. So the perfect squares are 1, which 1 doesn't really matter, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, all of those is what we're looking at. 64, 81, 100, so on. And you're going to use the largest perfect square factor. And then rewrite it. So let's look at 40. So let's go to y equals, put in 36 divided by x. No, 40. I don't know why I'm saying 36. Sorry. 40 divided by x. Put that in your calculator, everybody. And then hit second graph, which is our table. And we are going to go through the perfect squares. So 1, we don't really need that. Okay, 4. Is there any higher perfect square? Does 9 evenly divide it? No. 16 evenly divide it? No. What was the next one? 25 would be too big. Anyway. So we had xy. We had 1 times 40. 2 times 20 and 4 times 10 and 5 times 8. Those were the factors of 40. And so we're looking for one of these. And so the only one is 4. So we are going to rewrite this as square root of 40 equals square root of 4 times square root of 10. Because 4 times 10 is 40, right? So then I would simplify the perfect square. What's the square root of 4? 2. And square root of 10 I can't do anything with, so square root of 10. 2 square root of 10, exactly, is my simplified version. And so to make sure you did it right, you can go back to the calculator and go back to the home screen, hit second mode, and put in, I think you already did square root of 40, but if you didn't, go ahead and do that. And then do 2 square root of 40 and see if they, or square root of 10. See if they equal the same. And they do. So remember, simplified versions are the same exact decimal answer, but different radicals, a simplified version. So these are the exact same. 2 square roots of 10 is our simplified version. All right, let's do square root of 112. So let's repeat the steps. Go to y equals. Do 112 divided by x. Hit second graph. What perfect square factors are there? We want the largest perfect square factor. I'm going to go through all of these. 4 is on there. Okay, is there a larger perfect square? Yeah. 16 and 7. So we would write this as square root of 16, square root of 7. What is the square root of 16? 4. So I rewrite this as 4 square root of 7. Okay, let's go back home. So second mode. And let's check and make sure these are equal. So square root of 112. And then 4 square root of 7. Same thing. Okay, let's go to the next one. 5 square root of 45. We're still doing the same thing. The only difference is you're just going to bring the 5 down. And let's deal with the square root of 45. So go to y equals. Let's put in 45 divided by x. Second graph to look at the table. Okay, what perfect square factor evenly divides? 9, exactly. So 9 and 5. We simplify the perfect square. 9 is the perfect square, so we're going to simplify the square root of 9. 3. So 5 times 3, square root of 5. The only thing left to do is multiply. 5 times 3. 15, square root of 5. Okay, let's double check, make sure we did it correct. So we'll put in 5 square root of 45. And then we'll do 15 square root of 5. Same. Okay, the last one. Negative 3 square root of 72. Bring down the negative 3. Now we need to do 72. So go to y equals. Clear. 72 divided by x. Hit the graph. 9 works, but is there a larger one? 4 works. 12, 16. Oh, I should have gone up to the top, right? I need to go back. It could be on the right side, too. Do you see it? Remember this list over here? What numbers we're looking for? Which one's on that list? 36, yeah. So it could be on the right side. All the other ones have been on the left side, but it could be on the right side. So 36 times 2. So that's what we're writing. Square root of 36 times square root of 2. Okay, so we'll do negative 3. What's square root of 36? 6, so times 6. Keep square root of 2. Now we actually multiply these. Negative 3 times 6. Negative 18, square root of 2. Make sure you check your answer. So negative 3, square root, 72. Put that in. Second mode to get it back to the home screen. And then negative 18, square root of 2. And it works. Okay, so here are the steps again. Step 1, find the largest perfect square factor. You go to y equals, put in the number divided by x. Simplify the perfect square. You're looking for one of these perfect squares. There's more, of course. Look up here. We have all of those other ones, but these are just the ones that I wrote out for you. You can add to that list. And then use your calculator to check your answer. So we did each one of those steps.